You don't need perfect English to speak. Hello everyone. Before we start, I wanna ask you one simple question. How many English words do you think you need before you can start speaking? 1,000? 5,000? 10,000 words? Many people believe they need to know almost everything before they can speak English. But today I wanna tell you a different story. A story that can change the way you learn English forever. Yeah, if you stay with me until the end of this video, I believe you will stop waiting for the perfect moment. But why? Because the perfect moment does not exist. Yeah, so let's begin. Watches grammar lessons. He writes everything in a notebook, but he never speaks. He always says, I need more words. My grammar is not ready. My pronunciation is not good. I will speak next month. Then next month comes and nothing changes. Now let's look at Michael. Michael knows fewer words than John. Yeah, his grammar is not perfect. Sometimes he makes mistakes. Sometimes he forgets words. But every day he speaks. He talks to himself. He repeats sentences. He reads out loud. He joins online conversation. He is not perfect, but he is brave. After 1 year, who speaks better English? What do you think? Most people think it is John, but the answer is Michael. But why? Because speaking is a skill, and every skill needs practice. A simple truth. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Could you learn it only by reading a book? Of course not. You must get on the bicycle. Maybe you fall, maybe you lose your balance. Yeah, but every time you try, you become better. Speaking English works the same way. You cannot become a good speaker by only watching videos. You must use your voice. You must open your mouth. You must practice. Native speakers use simple English. It is another important lesson. Yeah, many students think native speakers always use difficult words. That is not true. Listen to real conversation. People say, how are you? What are you doing? How's everything? Where are you going? Where are you going? What happened? I'm tired. I'm hungry. Let's go. These are simple words. Simple English is real English. Communication is not about using big words. Communication is about sharing ideas. If people understand you, you are communication. That is success or success. Stop being afraid of mistakes. I wanna ask you another question. When you were a child, did you speak perfect Portuguese or your language? I think, oh, I'm sure, no. You made mistakes, many mistakes, but nobody expecting you to be perfect, you know? So, what do you expect yourself to speak perfect English? Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake shows you what you improve. Every conversation makes you strong. Do not run away from mistakes. Learn from them, because confidence comes from action. Many students tell me, I want to feel confident before I speak. But confidence does not come first. Action comes first. Confidence grows every time you speak. The first conversation, I agree, is scary. The second conversation is easy. The 10th conversation feels normal. The 100th conversation feels natural, because confidence is built 1 cent at a time. So my advice, if I could give you only 3 pieces of advice, there would be this. First, speak every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Second, use simple English. Do not try to sound perfect. Try to be understood. And third, enjoy the journey. Learning English is not a rush. You do not need to compare yourself with other people. Compare yourself with the person you were 6 months ago. That is the only comparison that matters. I have a challenge for you. Starting today, speak English for 5 minutes every day. Talk about your morning, talk about your job, talk about your family, and talk about your hobbies. Do not worry if nobody's listening. Yeah, the important thing is that you are speaking. If you do this 30 days, you will notice a big difference. Not because your English becomes perfect, yeah, but because your fear becomes smaller. So, I want you to remember one sentence. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage, you need consistency, and you need confidence. The words will come with time. The grammar will improve with practice, and the pronunciation will become better little by little. But none of these things will happen if you keep waiting. So stop waiting, start speaking today, even if your English is simple, even if you make mistakes. Yeah, every sentence you say is one step closer to fluency. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel. I make videos every week to help English learning. I made videos every week to help English learning speak with more confidence and use simple and real English. So leave a comment below and tell me, what is your biggest challenge when speaking English? I read every comment and I would love to hear your story. See you in the next video and take care.